Okay, what's up, you guys? Back to another video. Today we're here with a special guest. Come on in. I'm not gonna say his name. I'm not gonna say my name, just because. Shout out Live Life Surf. They're my favorite YouTube channel, and they're just really funny. You should check them out. They make like comedy videos. They're really funny. They're like types of rappers too. There's like that. So right now we're not trying to copyright, I swear to God. But we're doing types of sneezes. I know that they already did this, but it's just a cool idea. I don't know, I just like it. So, the normal sneeze. Achoo! The annoyed sneeze. Achoo. The sneeze that you try to do around your crush. Achoo! Yeah. When a girl doesn't like her actual sneeze, so she tries her hardest to make a cute sneeze. Achoo! Achoo! When you don't sneeze.
The one that they think they're so funny. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
The one who tries to act like a comedian around their friends, but they are actually not funny at all.
Pineapple! Achoo! 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 Achoo!
The sneeze.
Achoo!
The double sneeze.
Achoo! Achoo!
The triple sneeze. Achoo! 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 The quadruple sneeze. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Achoo!
The infinity sneeze. Achoo! 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 The Xbox players, the video game players sneeze. Achoo! Achoo! Aha! Aha! The baby sneeze. An animal sneeze. When a basketball sneezes.
When your dog sneezes.
When your Tex-Mex screams. Where did that go? Did that go down the stairs? The baby sneeze.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Hey! The sneeze that you get when you're drinking water. Excuse me. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thanks for clicking on it. Love all of you guys. Thanks for watching. And
Have a nice day.
peace. Nate is ugly ears.